Hi guys, let's get real for a second. If you're struggling to find a woman who's feminine, loyal, and actually ready for a real relationship that's not just bad luck, you're not doomed. You're not unattractive. You're simply stuck in mindset traps that are holding you back from the results you want. The truth is, most men don't realize how much control they have over the quality of women they attract. Your mindset, your habits, your presentation, these things matter far more than you think. So today, I'm breaking down the 5 biggest mindset mistakes that keep men stuck in the cycle of low-quality dating, and more importantly, how to fix them for good. By Dad. Mistake number 1. Your image is sabotaging you. Most men think image is just about looks. But to women, your image is a full sensory experience. It's your presence, your movement, your grooming, your tone, your online footprint. It's everything. Women judge before you even speak. By the time you say hi, she's already formed an opinion. That's called rapid assessment theory in evolutionary psychology. It's the idea that humans make snap judgments within seconds, especially when it comes to potential mates. If you walk with your head down, post sloppy memes online, or look like you just rolled out of bed, you send one clear message: I'm not ready for a high-value life. Online? It's even worse. Your Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok is your digital rhythm. If she sees thirsty comments under half-naked women, cringe memes, or toxic masculinity quotes, flexing with fake status, or partying constantly, she instantly puts you in the not serious category. Think of it this way. Would you take a woman seriously if her bio had a link to her OnlyFans? No. Women look at your profile the same way. How to fix it? Post content that reflects growth, fitness, business, travel, hobbies. Don't overshare. Mystery is magnetic. Stop liking low-quality content. Yes, she sees what you interact with. In person, work on posture, voice, grooming, and eye contact. Speak from your chest. Deep, slow, rounded voices equals confidence. Mistake number 2. Your attitude is pushing women away. Here's the paradox. Men know women love confidence, but they confuse it with cockiness, passive aggression, or bitterness. What women actually feel: cocky energy, you're trying to prove yourself. It's insecurity wearing sunglasses. Too passive, you make her lead everything. Zero tension or polarity. Resentment energy, you secretly hate women because of your past, and she can feel it. Women mirror your energy. If you act like she's your prize, you'll feel like a fan. But if you walk like you're the prize, she'll chase your validation. How to fix it? Confidence equals competence. Get your money right, body right, and mind right. Learn to say no. Weak men try to please everyone. Emotional control is power. If she can easily trigger you, she owns you. Have standards. Don't tolerate disrespect, even from someone you're attracted to. Mistake number 3. You're looking in the wrong places. A lot of men keep finding the same type of woman: attention-seeking, emotionally unavailable, or not relationship material, and think it's just the dating pool. But here's a hard truth. You attract what you tolerate. You meet what you surround yourself with. Where most guys go wrong. Expecting to find wife material at clubs or bars. Relying solely on dating apps where image substance. Chasing women on social media who live for male attention. How to fix it? Go to environments that reflect your values. Want a fit woman? Go to fitness events or gyms. Want an ambitious woman? Attend networking events. Join community groups, hobby meetups, or travel networks. Grow your social circle. The best women are often introduced through trusted friends. Mistake number 4. You're subconsciously afraid of commitment. You say you want a relationship, but deep down, you're afraid. Why? Because for many men, commitment equals losing freedom, getting emotionally manipulated, sacrificing goals or identity. This fear usually comes from your past, toxic relationship trauma, watching your parents fight or divorce, seeing friends become emotionally whipped or lost in love. So you keep it casual. You date around, but inside, you want something deeper. You're just afraid to trust again. Here's the reality. Women don't fall for men who give up who they are. They fall for men who stay true to themselves inside the relationship. How to fix it? Heal before you pursue. Don't use women to fix your emotional wounds. Don't sacrifice your purpose for love. That's the fastest way to lose her respect. Practice leadership and emotional stability. These are relationship skills. Be brutally honest with yourself. Are you ready for something real or not? Mistake number 5. Your friends are keeping you stuck. Most guys don't realize they're losing before they even say a word because of the company they keep. If your circle is loud and disrespectful, bitter and constantly trashing women, lazy, unambitious, and stuck in victim mentality, then you're guilty by association. Why it matters. Women assume you're just like your friends. Their mindset rubs off on you. Negativity, excuses, laziness. You unconsciously absorb their beliefs. All women are gold diggers. There's no such thing as loyalty anymore. Relationships are traps. Over time, you start to believe it even if you didn't before. How to fix it? Audit your inner circle. If they're not growing, they're slowing you down. Hang out with high-value men. Guys with purpose, ambition, and strong relationships. Go where winners go. Business masterminds, gyms, mindset workshops, men's groups. Remember, your environment is stronger than your willpower. Final thought, you're in control. You're not powerless. You're not unlucky. You're not doomed to settle. The kind of woman you attract is a mirror of the man you are becoming. Once you level up your mindset, raise your standards, and surround yourself with quality, everything changes. The wrong women will filter themselves out. The right women will rise to meet your energy. Either way, you win.